Welcome back to Initial Speed. I'm Phil, as you know, and we've got something going on here. We're looking at doing some skirt extensions and a front lip on the S4 because you guys asked for it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And this is the bad boy, the S3. We need to detail this thing. After we do that, then she'll be ready for action. Alright, well, you know.
Hey guys, what's up?
And then, owner.
Hello, hello, how are you guys doing?
Alright, so let's get started on this skirt. Another day we're going to do the brakes, but again, that's another day. Alright, so we've got the skirts.
Yeah.
We've got the skirts to do and the front lip.
Front lip, yeah. You want to show them the front lip?
The front lip's been through it.
It's been through it, huh?
It's been through it.
Alright, well, let's take a look. Damn! Even off-roading in this thing?
Disclaimer, I did not do any of the damage that you see.
Bought it this way. Alright.
I did.
Well, we've got a little bit of work ahead of us. So, let's stop yapping and get to work. A little update. I mean, it's funny, it's a little thing, but it makes a difference. Let me spin you around and let you guys take a look. Don't see what I'm talking about?
Okay.
How about now? It's amazing how little things make such a big deal sometimes. We did both sides, of course. And now we're looking to work on that front lip. Alright, well, ain't nothing to it but to do it.
Yep.
What do you think?
She went from looking like Sexy Red to looking like Beyonce. Honestly. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's coming together really good.
It's not going to be as aggressive, but it's going to look cleaner.
Yeah, that's right.
Alright, well, let's do it. These guys be fast.
Well, these guys they're not playing. It's riveted in.
Is it?
Yeah. I mean, that's good.
Yeah, it keeps it in, but it's not removable friendly. So we got to center punch those pieces in or drill it. You have a drill, right? You have a bit? Well,
One splitter's off at least.
well, we'll keep it and replicate it, right?
That's the plan.
I contributed one screw to that whole thing.
You did what?
I contributed one screw to that whole thing. He had it driven.
Hey, dude's no longer a mechanical virgin.
Hey, I did 2 years of automotive in high school.
Oh, did you? Okay,
Yeah.
all right. So you know a few things.
I know how to change oil.
Okay.
Change a timing belt, all that good stuff, you know.
Oh, you can do timing belts.
Yeah.
So you can time the car, time the engine.
I wouldn't do it on my own car. I wouldn't trust myself to do it on my own car.
All right. Update time. All right, so the skirts are on, right, on both sides. And Ooh, that blue's gonna look. It's gonna really pop when we polish it and wax it up. And we took off the broken lip and replaced it with another. 1 out of 10. Rate it. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty sweet, especially when you zoom into the parts. Sorry, Devani, I just don't want it to dry on. I don't have all of my equipment, so making do with what we have. Because, you know, details are key. So there you have it. We put on that front lip and the skirt extensions. My boy over here is grinning. He's cheesing ear to ear.
It's inspiring. It's beautiful. I love it.
And we just want to say thank you for watching Initial Speed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think. We're out.
Deuces.
We bout that car life. Oh, rack. Waste.